Quant, a name inseparable from DLT. The universe of blockchain by and large has its restrictions. Here basically comes the job of dispersed record innovation, DLT, that supplants the whole array of blockchain-based arrangements, giving solutions to all questions that as of not long ago for the most part stayed unanswered. The need to trade resources across a protected and practical organization has sort of gotten energy, and the undertaking DLT door truly guarantees interoperability across various frameworks and organizations, and DLTs endeavors, states, and people across the globe benefit from the genuinely capability of an amazingly strong innovation of DLT. This really has certainly additionally worked with interoperability, associated the world, and aided drive huge worth, open up new business sectors, and acknowledge new efficiencies for endeavors, states, and people. The same Gilbert Verdian followed Quant in the year 2015 in an unobtrusive way. Conveyed record innovation generally is an out-and-out various idea that adds to making the existences of individuals more enabled and more quick, making their lives simpler, and most certainly more agreeable, both. Arising as the most encouraging answer for adaptability, this appropriated record innovation, DLT, certainly has been the base of the beginning for Quant. Surety without any trade-offs. The difficulties of blockchain being information availability likewise came in bundles, which for the most part is very critical. Those bundles included essentially more slow exchanges yet greater expenses. Quant guarantees these excess expenses are killed alongside the benefit of a by and large higher speed of exchanges. This valued advanced cash offered clients the upside of fixed cash at no inflationary expense, which is very critical. The decentralized agreement of Quant makes clients their lords of approval in a significant manner. Like blockchain, this advanced resource Quant additionally doesn't generally call for pretending of any mediators. Quant, coordinated efforts versus rivalry. The for the most part cutting-edge innovation of Quant basically pursues it among the highest level decisions of clients who plan to coordinate speed with the dynamic patterns and exchanging establishments across the globe have arisen, showing sort of dynamic interest in marking organizations with Quant. What's in store essentially is especially splendid for Quant, as natural reception picks up speed, since the DLT network acclimatizes arrangements in view of genuine applications. Being a key job player, Quant establishment has teamed up with these associations to saddle the kind of capability of, for the most part, moderate innovation. Quant has completely committed itself to the reason for information handling, accordingly crusading savvy charging, crowdfunding, truly brilliant homes, space investigation, constant information stockpiling, and for the most part shrewd network capabilities. With a market capitalization of $1,672,435,031 and an exchanging volume of $42,349,912, Quant sort of has a ton to shock financial backers, which is very huge. Quant QNT value has to its by and large dishonor being the slowest, and its credit being the reliably developing crypto resource terminology. The organizers behind Quant are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Quant has a great deal of vows to view for its fans, which especially is very huge. The ongoing cost of Quant remains at $138.54 and is set to soar because of the expansion sought after for Quant later on. In light of our Quant QNT cost expectations calculation, and in every practical sense, long-haul increment isn't normal. The cost figure for 2023 for the most part is $87.023. The very current cost of QNT essentially is around $137.87, and our information demonstrates that the QNT crypto explicitly has been in an upturn. As indicated by our Quant figures, the future cost of Quant QNT is anticipated at $314.5 following a year, which is very critical. Quant Value Forecast 2023. Despite the fact that specialists expect Quant cost scaling a pinnacle of $225, with different improvements and innovation, it would in every practical sense be more secure to wager it at its help around $150, coming to several years too in every way that really matters. Play extremely protected by our forecasts. Quant Value Expectation 2024. The crypto coin value expectations of different specialists in a real sense don't basically discourage Quant from beating its opponents using any and all means. The Quant People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself regardless. Quant QNT cost will outperform the assumptions for all digital currency and forex financial backers, who have basically found this stage very intelligent and simple, taking the QNT cost to $319 in a significant manner. Quant Value Expectation 2025. One more significant send-off of Quant in every practical sense is set to disclose soon, which would be supported by huge numbers of trades. It would in a real sense not be a distortion to find that Quant has scaled a pinnacle of $425. However, the equivalent can't in a real sense be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light explicitly reach. Quant Value Forecast 2026. Shockingly, the year 2026 may end up being a defining moment for Quant, as it truly has started and in every way that really matters, few new send-offs, and the world will before long be of Pax stablecoin on its blockchain. This would significantly accelerate the genuine business applications on Quant. It might try and generally cross $537, making it a beneficial venture for merchants to sell Quant for impressive increase. Quant Value Expectation 2027. With essentially an ever-increasing number of clients purchasing Quant around 2027, it might just amount to the cost of Quant dramatically and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications. The mass reception will bring about a rise in costs toward the finish of 2027, taking it to $623, according to our Quant QNT cost expectations. Quant Value Expectation 2028. Quant QNT Value Expectations 2028 depends on specialized examination alone. QNT cost shows a bullish pattern, and on the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Quant cost could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its $715 opposition level and moving kind of higher. Quant Value Expectation 2029. In an unpretentious manner, the Quant cost is determined to truly reach $733 by the start of December 2029, which in every practical sense is very critical. The normal greatest cost is $815. The truly least value is $730. The QNT kind of normal cost estimate for the year 2029 is $722.5, making it a drawn-out wise interest in a significant manner. Quant Value Expectation 2030. Quant cost essentially has a promising future for esteem alongside high gamble and instability. It might get hardly influenced and amended toward help levels. However, bulls will be back, and around 2030, its cost might skyrocket to an unsurpassed especially high of $950, making financial backers sort of purchase Quant. Is it productive to put resources into Quant? Basically, in view of the estimate information, it can foresee that the coin cost has been showing a rising propensity from the truly past year, and it is beneficial to put resources into Quant QNT. How would I purchase QNT? Many exchanging stages and crypto trades offer a choice to sell Quant. Register yourself with your KIC qualifications and execute by means of any of your Lord or Visa cards amazingly. Post-check decently your computerized coins are moved to your Quant wallet incredibly. A site like quantprices.com screens generally significant trades for their BTC and ETH rates and consolidates